My name is Eric Cohler, and my design firm is Eric Cohler Design, which I can't believe, but it's been a long time. I started it in 1994 when I graduated. I first speak with my client. I do an intake session with all clients at the very beginning, and I ask them their favorite colors, their least favorite colors, what time of the day do they get up, what time do they go to bed. So I talk to them about what their preferences are, and then I try to present them with what I feel is a solution to help enhance their lifestyle. POV equals POV squared. And this is my algorithm, this is my formula for success. I don't know how you can even get through life without a point of view or direction. You might as well not even be in the design industry, you might as well not be a creative person. But what do I mean by equals POV squared? So point of view squared means power of vision to the second power. And if you have a strong point of view, you can then carry that through and convey it to others through the power of your vision. And you can basically convince anyone of anything if you have a proper point of view and the power within you to convey that vision to whomever your audience is. So I'm a classicist with a veneer of modernity, meaning that I'm classically trained. I'm proud to say that I do understand the rules of architecture, the different orders of architecture. You need to have certain order and able to have chaos. I don't mean chaos in the way that chaos is a bad, it's a pejorative, but you need to have chaos to have something that's creative, something that has life, something that has energy, because without that, there's no frisson. It's a French term meaning tension in a relationship, tension in the way a paint color interacts with the fabric, tension in the way a marriage works or doesn't if it falls flat. I find that rules actually help me to be more creative, because if I have to work within a certain confine, a certain envelope, I will do that, but I'll struggle like heck to torque that box a little bit, to fight to make sure that something is curved or undulated within the box so that I can express my own vision. And I think that if I can't do that, I also might as well just hang up my shingle and be done with it.